Ehuriro kutendeka abana b'amashomero kuba kubasa kongera kwetantara butanduza hanguto eyebembirwa b'ekitongole kya Intelligence Transport Monitoring System ITMS bakwatanise na polisi ya hanguto kandi aba batandikira Uganda Matters Primary School izo bari yanyomwebazyo kandi erizo babasiba hari Mbara Municipal School hamwe na Ebenezer School aho mu Rembo rwa Mbarara.
If you are using a border please, and you can afford, make sure you fasten your helmet. If the person riding it does not have a helmet, you tell him to get a helmet and he puts it on, he wears it on his head. And you also get one, tell your parents to buy you helmets.
When your father or your relative is riding on a motorcycle, tell him that you will not end up on putting it on, but you also fasten this flap, this cassette you have seen down.
Superintendent of Police Michael Kananura uri umugambizi wa polisi ya hanguto mu Uganda yayore ko kwatwahabwa abazira bari kupakira abana baba bodaboda ubwibatine nabyo kwekumisa nka helmet hamwe na reflector jackets.
Icyo kureberaho nushanga amakanka gihe gita yinabana mukaga gapayisa picemwe abantu shanga bakateka picemwe so ekiti kibonire kandi tushimukira cya void maze kufuna za bitandu emwebire manafanti yababiyende esperima abantu 10 bitandu bibiri za picipici biri picipicero abana batanu kandi bona bakora
tukazamura go batujana bakora over 50 surgeries a day z'abantu ba accident 50 surgeries niyo wazamura go nabakugira mu emergency niyo emergency center eri kucira mu East Africa yone abashaho bamara ko batugambira so ba kutuchireba nka economy spending a cent nyingi okujanja abantu kuba kurwara bahede kamaguru bazifuna za butandu nibiruka nko maruwaru Barra Hospital Masaka Referral Hospital itojo omaruwaru ga government tubagura mbazi government niyo kubagura ki mbazi
abeje n'abakuru b'amashomero basima government abwentebekana seji
kabatutunga accidents aho mwana ubaye batomerera posta aho konka kuruga message afande Kananura na ije kuhereza messages kandi abo kurugobwe tukagarikira kutunga kisibo cona aha bana bitu
lolwa lero njagala kwebaza aba ITMS n'aba Uganda Police okujja kusomero lyaffe okutigiriza abatyawe tusobola okozesa enguudo n'abatyawe tusobola kugoberera amateeka gaabyo mu butuufu bwazo.
Waza kucrossinga omuhanda kumo banzorebe mosho ayo haye mutuka yaneyo otaka crossing then habo ari kwishana biruka gwankanse mutuka eriyo ni shatarebire then kayenderera mutomire kamare wo mwiraro nga bari kumuzika
okuchondozo kwakozerwe polisi yangu tumwa kuguhire nukoreka ngo abantu 15 nibo bari kutunga butanduza hanguto buri zoba kandi hari ya 15 baberne baba bari abana b'amashomero enda Aidan Bataringaya hamwe na Rwamo Edwin.